Hello, my name is Emilio Marchand, and today I will be presenting my investment portfolio of the Semana Tech of financial markets. And well, to start off, my personal finance goals are three, and the first one is to save enough money for the Oculus 2 Elite strap, which is a battery and Elite strap. And the idea is to save up to 5,160 pesos, which is what it costs right now, around 5,000 pesos. And I will be willing to do this from this year, starting this month right now, March, until December of this year, so like what's left of this year. And I will try to save up to like 15% of every month of the money I receive every month, 15% for towards dedicated towards the Elite strap, and this would amount the 5,000 that I want. And this is a short to medium term goal. Then the other goal that I have is to have over 150 gains, 150% gains of my current portfolio in 2 to 5 years. So I want to reach 150% gains in the portfolio that I have in 2023 to 2026, around those years. And I will be doing this by trying to obtain around 9 to 20% of return each year. And then my third goal, which is a bit more long term, is to reach stable financial status, and like with healthy savings and a savings and investment account and a full-time job. And this is for me to save around 600,000 to 1 million pesos from now until 6 to 10 years, so that when I finish college and when I start working and when I have my family, so I can have enough money and enough savings for the future, like in a way like a cushion, like a cushion, like un colchón, like for having capital that is necessary if I need to have it. And then how will I achieve this? Well, with grabbing certain percentages of the things that I have, of the money that I receive like monthly, or that money that I gain like in jobs and stuff. And also, like, I would also have my investment portfolio, and this investment portfolio will be around 86% stocks, 4 to 4.35 fondos de inversión de deuda, which is in GBM, and 8% ETFs, and no bonds. I could add bonds later on, but since I am currently after the questionnaire, I found myself to be a moderately aggressive investor, and like in savings in that in the stock market. I found that my average annual return could be like 10%, in the best year being 34%, and in the worst year 30% almost. But this is like for long-term investors who want to like grow their portfolio like towards the maximum potential. And this is like taking into account some volatility, but not as much, because my portfolio will be exclusively in equities, or like in the stocks that of certain companies. So yes, this is my setup for like the portfolio distribution. Some of the stocks and ETFs that I will be investing in is like QQQ, the SPY, Apple, Disney, Facebook, Microsoft, ARK. Then some plays that I want to like for growth plays, like potentials, are like Jumia and Neo. And then some recovery plays, like for potential up rise after the pandemic, is like SPG and CCL, like Carnival Cruises and like hotels and stuff. And the selection of the benchmark index that I will be using to compare my returns will be Nasdaq, which is mostly around tech, SPY for the S&P 500, and I can also look at the IPC, or like the Mexican Stock Exchange, Bolsa Mexicana de Valores, in order to like see if I'm gaining the amount that I can gain, and if I'm winning, or if I'm beating like this index, in order to reach my goals that I have set. Thank you.